Hi. So I am here to do the final reflection for the English 116 speech class. What I found surprising about this course was all of the material that goes into preparing a speech, the understanding of your audience, the mechanisms in which you use to get buy-in for your side of the argument, whether that be an informational speech or a persuasive speech, and understanding all of the preparation that goes into making these speeches, from creating your outline to formalizing your speaking notes and to applying that to your actual speech. What surprised me most was the depth at which people have gone into to research and understand speech and its application in the real world. Challenges that I faced throughout this course would be my implementation of speaking, and when I'm doing an actual speech, prepared and processed on my language and verbiage choices, as well as the inflection, tone, and appropriate pauses. I tend to use phrases like and like as connectors a lot when I speak, when I'm doing a speech, especially an impromptu speech. And those types of connectors tend to create a blasé or boring type of speech. And understanding that material and understanding the applications on getting somebody to pay attention and getting somebody connected with your speech are very important. I overcame a lot of these challenges specifically by doing recording after recording after recording to get the best outcome of each speech that I did. It was difficult to listen to myself and difficult to hear my speaking style and having to change it up frequently, going back and editing or making new notes or making new note cards to really emphasize and create heft and weight to my speech. Something that I've learned pretty intensely throughout this course was how to get that buy-in, get people on your side, and understanding how to win over an audience. In my role as a manager, especially as a nurse manager in healthcare, I have to get buy-in frequently whenever I want to do something new or implement a new project or even change an existing policy. And doing the research and learning about these materials so that I could get that buy-in is very important and something that I'll use frequently throughout my career. Advice that I have for new students coming into this course is to pay attention. Do your homework, do the learning, do the reading. When you go to do your actual speeches, re-record and re-record again. Do a dry run so you can hear how you sound on your first attempt without any practice, and then go back and revise, edit, and then practice after that so you can make modifications and changes to how you speak so it becomes more effective and drives home your point. Thank you for having me in this class, and good luck.